Logging into your online banking account with Democracy Federal Credit Union is quick and easy. To log in, visit democracyfcu.org and click the green Login tab in the upper right-hand corner. Then enter your online banking username and password and click the orange Login button. Next, confirm your username is correct, and if not, select Not My Username. Choose an option to authenticate your identity, answer the security questions, or apply the security code and click Continue. It's as easy as that. From your dashboard, you can check account information as well as access a number of useful and convenient online banking tools to set up transfers and apply for loans or pay bills. Forget your password? It happens to the best of us. If you forget your password, you can reset it with the Democracy Federal Credit Union website. Use your browser to visit democracyfcu.org and click on the green Login tab. Click the Forgot Password link below the username and password fields. Read the disclosure to begin the password recovery process. Click the box next to I agree, then click the Continue button. Next, confirm your identity by inputting your username, account number, and social security number. Then answer at least 2 of the following questions and click Continue. A temporary password will be generated and emailed and text to the email address or phone number we have on file. Choose the contact method you prefer and click Continue. Enter your username and click Login. Now enter the temporary password that was sent to you. Please note, if you choose to have the temporary password emailed, it may be in your junk folder. When you've entered the temporary password, click Login. The next step is to choose a new password. It must be at least 8 characters in length, contain 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, and at least 1 number. Be sure to keep your new password in a safe place and click Continue. Thank you for being a valued member of Democracy Federal Credit Union. If you have any issues with logging in or resetting your password, please get in touch with us. We're happy to help.